with Manahil Fatima. Today's lesson is words that start with letter U. Umbrella, umbrella. Under, under. Uncle, uncle. Up, up. Unhappy, unhappy. Upset, upset. Unlock, unlock. Upstairs, upstairs. Underwater, underwater. Unicorn, unicorn. Uniform, uniform. University, university. Unicycle, unicycle.